Lynette here, and in today's video we're unboxing another Allure beauty box for the month of October, so definitely stay tuned and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So I am super excited. We have the Allure beauty box for October. For those of you who don't know, Allure beauty box is a $15 a month subscription. They give you full-size products, deluxe size products, and samples. So it's definitely a variety, and one of my favorite boxes, not last month, but we'll just pretend that didn't happen. But Allure beauty box is one of my favorite boxes. So if you guys dig videos like spoilers, subscriptions, reviews, hauls, definitely make sure you're subscribed, because we have a ton of great things on this channel that we're going to share with you, plus some giveaways for you guys. So as I said, it's a monthly subscription, $15, and so let's dive in and get into the box. So this is what the box looks like here. So it's different. It recently changed. I believe it was last month is when it changed. So it definitely is something different. This is a new packaging. I like it. It looks very clean, very sleek, in my opinion. My conspiracies, I digress, but I like it. And then in the inside, you see they always give you like a pamphlet with the descriptions of the items that are inside, so you can see what it would cost if you went to the store and got that full price. And then they wrap it in here with tissue, and then everything is inside. And I'm already excited because I see one item there that I can totally use. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, the very first item I see here is a coupon, and it says for Gorjana jewelry, if you want to get 20% off, if you guys want to use that, you can take a snapshot of that. There's a coupon code in there to save 20% off. Definitely will get use out of that. I get a lot of subscription boxes, so probably won't use that, but you guys are more than welcome to use it yourself. Okay, so the first item I have here is from Model Co. This is a metallic eyeshadow trio in Saint Tropez. So let me take a look and see. This is what the box looks like, if you guys want to take a look at that. And then I've received Model Co before. I believe it was in my very first box from Allure, actually. So that was in the beginning of the year, but let me take a look and see what this one says. So this is a different color than what I received before. This is in Saint Tropez, so it's a little brown, as you guys can see. And then it says this is $13. This is, and bear with me because in the booklet, it doesn't give you a description. It kind of gives you like editor's views on the products. You kind of got to go through that to see the benefits of the product. So let me take a look here. It says, the powders blend well without flaky or fallout, and the color payoff is intense. When I want a simpler daytime look, I'll dampen my eyeshadow brush and swipe just the copper on my lids for a metallic look. So again, this is $13, and if you go to Model Co, you can enter Allure 19 at checkout to get 30% off. So if you dig it, you can get it. And I'm gonna swatch them, but disregard that. That was from my last video for Ipsy. So if you guys haven't seen it, I just unboxed the Ipsy Glam bag. So definitely go back and check that out to see if it was worth it this month. I'm not gonna give you a teaser. You guys can check it out and see what I thought. Okay, so we're gonna swatch this here. And plus I mentioned a giveaway on that other video, so definitely stay tuned to that. So this is what the highlighter looks like there. Probably hard, there you go, probably a little bit better. Hard to tell, but let me take a look at the other colors here so you guys can get a better idea. It seems to be, like she said, it's more of a copper. I don't have brown in my arsenal here, so those are definitely dark. So it looks like a nighttime spiel there. So we will definitely get into that. I used to use a lot of brown before, but I'm trying to get into colors just to brighten my horizon. So I would definitely get use out of that. There they are, and that's how they swatch, and those are the colors there. So not bad. Not something that I go often to, but probably for like a smoky eye look, I would probably dive into that one. And the next item we have here is again from Eyedrops. That's what that looks like there, and this is a metallic eyeshadow. So you get two eyeshadows with this one. So if you think about it, these are already two full-size products. So not bad at all. That's why I like this subscription, because they totally send you products that another subscription would probably send you a sample of, but this is the full size of it. Okay, so this is, and we're gonna definitely have to swatch this one because it's really, really dark. This is Metallic Highlights in Granite. So this black and silver cream shadow dries quickly and looks fresh hours after application. And unlike a lot of creams, it doesn't crease or fade. So this is $9 from Model Co. Again, if you guys use Allure 19 at checkout, you'll get 30%. Let's take a look. I have a couple of these, and I don't know why. I just never go to these kind of these eyeshadows. I never go to them. But this is definitely black. I wish I didn't swatch it because I don't think I'm gonna use this one. This is too dark for me. I wouldn't even know what to do with this. This is very dark. If you guys have any ideas on what you would do with an a cream eyeshadow this dark, except for like a smoky eye, that's the only thing I can think about. But let me know if you guys receive this and what you plan on doing with this, especially your eye look. Definitely dark for my taste, but we digress, and it's okay. All right, so the next item I have here is from M61. This is Powerful Skincare. This is a Power Glow cream. It says 1 minute, 1 step exfoliating facial peel. So let me take a look and see. So these are like peels. There you go. They come in little packets. That's how it looks, and you get 3 packets in a box. So this is what they look like, and let me see. It says after cleansing and drying skin, wipe pre-soaked towelette over face, neck, and while avoiding eyes. So you do that. Recommended starting 3 times a week, building up every day. So that is what that looks like. And let's see if there are any benefits to this product here. And let me see. I like to see the retail price for this. So this is $30 for 10 treatments. So you already have 3 treatments in here. So that's not bad. And you go to bluemercury.com if you ever wanted to buy that. And let's see, the editor here says the formula is balanced with skin smoothing ingredients with like chamomile. The next morning she woke up to a complexion that was a glowy and bright one, not the least bit irritated. So not bad. I've never tried a peel like this before, so I'm not mad at all about that one. And then the next item we have here is from Lumify. This is what is this? An eye redness. I guess that's why I got confused. So you guys can see that there, so you can see my confusion. This is redness reliever eye drops. So this works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. This is rare, so I'm definitely gonna get use out of this. I've never gotten eye drops before from Allure or any subscription. Not mad at all about it. I will definitely use it because I'm on the computer all day. And it's not actually, oh, it is, it's on the back, but not a part of the subscription. So I'm not too sure if they gave us this as a bonus. Not mad. So I don't know any information. Well, obviously it's eye drops, but there's no information here. So yeah. So we know it's eye drops and it lasts for up to 8 hours, starts working after a minute. So we digress, and I will use that regardless. So the next item I have here is a bath salt. I've never gotten bath salt before. This bath salt is from, let's see, it's from Neep Mineral Bath Salt and Dream Away. This is $20, and if you go to neep.com, yeah, the neep.com, if you use Allure 19 at checkout, you'll get 20% off if you guys wanted to use that yourself. And let's see what she says. She loved the smell from the bath from the go. It reminded her of lavender and eucalyptus, and her skin felt really soft after she got out of the water. Rethinking her whole bath and chill thing. The smell is so calming. She fell into bed into a deep night's sleep. So not mad at all. I do rarely take baths. I take showers, obviously, but I rarely have time to take a bath, so I will definitely give that a try and see how that works for me. And the next 2 items, I left them for last because I'm super excited about them. Whew. I love Sol de Janeiro, so we got that in our bag. So if you've never tried this, definitely give this a try. So Sol de Janeiro, and it's a little sample of it. Definitely happy about that. Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. If you got the full price, and I got the full price from FabFitFun, full price of this is $45. So this is definitely good. This smells, well, this, I'm not going by editor, but this smells kind of like a popcorn. Everyone says it smells something, it smells differently, but it's sealed and it has that safety seal there. It's sealed, but my description of the smell is kind of popcorny to me. I love it. I actually got my husband hooked on it, so we're all using this. I have like the shower gel. I have the bigger case of this. You never know. This may be in a future giveaway, so definitely stay tuned on that one. And then last but not least, we have Sunday Riley. So Sunday Riley, this is a new product for Sunday Riley. This is called Ice. The retail value of the full size of this, and I actually got full size of Sunday Riley in my Ipsy, one of my Ipsy pluses, so I love it. And I'm still actually using this, but this one, hold on, I want you guys to take a look at it. It's called Ice. So this one here, let's see what she says. Basically it's moisturizing cream, but the smells for these are really, really good. I like them, and this actually smells different than the one that I have already. So I'm definitely excited to try this one. Anything Sunday Riley, I've never heard of Sunday Riley before. I started subscription boxes, and anything Sunday Riley, I'm all in for. So I definitely will get use out of this. And again, this is $65, so that's really, really crazy. Okay, so let us take a look and see what all came in the box. So first, we have Sunday Riley, we got that, and then we have Sol de Janeiro. We have the cream there, the Bum Bum cream, that infamous Bum cream. We have M61. We have the Power, what is this? Power Glow Peel. We have that. We have the Lumify from Bausch & Lomb. We have Eyedrops. We have that, super weird, but I'll take it. So then we have the Mineral Bath Salt, and it says it's vegan. Essential oils on it, not mad at all at that one. And then we also have the two items from Monaco. We have we have the what is this, eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow in granite. That was like that super dark color. And then we had the metallic trio shadow eyeshadow in Saint Tropez. So what did you guys think of the Ipsy products? Wrong video, Lynette. The Allure Beauty box for the month of October. Did you get the same items that I did? Are you excited about your products? What did you guys think? And let me know in the comments section below. Have you guys tried any of these products? I know for me, I've tried Sunday Riley, but just out of this box, I've only tried Sol de Janeiro because I've never tried this particular cream. So definitely let me know in the comments section below what you're excited about. Did you get the Allure Beauty box? And if you've never heard of Allure Beauty box, I'll have that description in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. I know they always give you like a free gift, so if you're new, you can totally check it out. They always give you a free gift. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe if you love videos like this, because that's what we do here. Subscriptions, spoilers, unboxings, that's everything that we do. I have a lot of future excitement things or videos, exciting videos coming to the channel, so definitely make sure you're subscribed. And plus giveaways, who doesn't love a giveaway? But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your week and enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.